When we walked into the Bartow County Arena, it was amazing. It's so exciting, it's so professional, it's so well built, and you want to stay, you want to watch.
I don't think that there is one word or multiple words that can describe how I feel today seeing this event come to fruition after a year and a half of planning, logistics, technology, and having teams all come in to make this a reality for today's students. It's their Friday night. It's just everything to them, and the coaches instructionally are just feeling very blessed that they're in that space.
I'm Luke Templeton. I am a junior and I act as one of the 2 team captains for our school Super Smash Brothers team. It makes me incredibly excited to just walk into the arena and see this crowd of people with all the lights and just the roar of people cheering and getting to play the game at such a high level.
Esports is benefiting them in a huge way. It's giving them a competitive outlet that a lot of these kids haven't had before. Not everybody plays sports, and these kids, they need that extracurricular activity, and they need a sense of being on a team. That's a lot of what we've seen is these kids have never been on a team, a lot of them, and they're so excited about it. It's so much fun. Seeing them when they win a match and go off with joy, it's a lot of
Celebrate
fun.
each other.
Yes.
We could not have done it without Power Up. I mean, that's what's made the dream come true. That's what's made the students' lives in order to prepare for this day.
The fact that GHSA has chosen this facility for the Esports State Championship is really fantastic. All the hard work and effort that everybody's contributed to it, from the staff here at Bartow County to the PowerUpEDU teams, and I think it's just a testament to all the hard work and efforts from all those many people.
It's only going to grow. This is our first year of having esports at our school, and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. We have kids come up to us every day, I want to be on the team next year. And it's getting bigger and bigger, only growing.
We're really reaching a group of kids that have not had a place. We look at roughly 87% of our kids that play on the esports team have not or do not compete in any other extracurricular at their school. So to see that pay off firsthand, I think we see it today with this event. It's just really a testament to how much and how important esports is to these kids and how much an impact it makes in their lives.
We're going to have some incredibly eager students and coaches and teachers want to be in the space. It's just going to even topple over whatever expectations we had in the beginning, because they're so excited about the future learning possibilities in the space.